Hey, welcome to the channel and welcome to this video. Today we're gonna explore how I make over $5,000 a month and how I got to this point of making so much money. To be honest, it wasn't easy and it took me 5 years to actually get to this point. I started with this whole online marketing entrepreneurship thing back in 2015, and during my first year of getting into this new area, I made a whopping $900 throughout the whole year. Yeah, it's not much, but it was a start. To be honest, it really motivated me to get this whole thing going. And yeah, 5 years later, I'm here making over $5,000 a month. So it's cool. It's cool. To be honest, I've watched a lot of these videos myself, like on YouTube, during those 5 years. All the income reports, how much YouTubers make, how much you make with, Shopify, e-commerce, drop shipping, affiliates. Yeah, I've seen them all. I've seen them all. And I think I'm in a position now where I can make my own video explaining my own path of how I got here, and how you can too. I suppose somebody's watching 5 years later will make the same video as I'm making right now. So I'm just here to continue that trend of inspiration. However, if you're just here for the pure numbers or the screenshot or whatever, I don't want to keep you waiting. So boom, here's a screenshot. Here are the numbers by month, and you saw it in a thumbnail. Now it's crystal clear. So if you're here just for that, well, here you go, and yay. But seriously, I mean, you probably have more questions than answers, from this particular graph. What happened? First question is probably what happened in July. Oh, almost $20,000 in 1 month. Yeah, it was a pretty good month. I'm not gonna lie, but it actually took 2 years to build to that, specifically. Either way, if you want to go over my different income sources, how I developed each one of them, and my whole kind of journey and how I'm making my living, keep watching. But first, I need my laptop and I need some coffee. So, let's get going. Nice coffee. Okay, so I have my laptop, and let's dive in. Okay, so this is the graph you've seen. This is basically just a breakdown month by month of my just total income. Of course, you can see that July is just a massive outlier. We'll get into this, and as you can see, we have a tab income 2019, and this. Yes, this is where it all breaks down. So let's dive in. As you can see, I have basically 4 different sources of income. And first is client. So that's my client work. I actually specialize in SEO, which is search engine optimization. And these are the clients that are paying me to provide them service to get more organic traffic to their website. I do the same kind of thing on Upwork. So basically it's the same service provided, just I'm kind of getting paid in different ways. I'll get to this soon. But what you have to know is that basically clients and Upwork, this is one type of income. So that's why at the end, average per month, I've actually added those together, because there's no need to separate. I'm doing the same kind of thing. Now, why it is separated, as you can see, Upwork actually stopped. I stopped kind of signing contracts on Upwork on last year November, so only a couple of months ago. So that was 2019 November. And the reason being is that I think it's a very good platform to start your career, to get some work, build your portfolio, and it's amazing. However, after a certain point, it does not make sense to be on Upwork. If you want to grow beyond, just simple contracts and you want to build a long-term relationships, for me personally, I found that Upwork is not the place to go. They limit you quite a lot once you reach a certain threshold. However, if you're just starting out and you want to sort of get going, I've actually made a video of how I made my money on Upwork and sort of how to apply for contracts, how to apply for jobs, how to find them, how to kind of curate your profile. Anyway, all the information is in the video. I'm gonna link it down in the description, or I think the card up here. So definitely check it out if you want to start freelancing on Upwork. But enough beating around the bush. Affiliates, and as you can see, I've even bolded the 13,899.09 and this is why July is outlier. What is affiliates? Affiliates is basically I used to have a website where I've built it from the ground up, from zero, basically 2 years ago. Started 2 years ago, and now more than 2 years ago now. It was July was 2 years, so now it's 2.5 years ago. And I started building a website which earned a commission from Amazon by providing reviews about certain products basically that's it. So it was a simple. I've played with websites before, but that was one of my sort of the biggest and the most serious project that I've ever invested in and sort of spent time doing it. Either way, after two years, I felt like it's time to move on to other types of things. I saw that I was not creating enough value for this type of website, and I wasn't spending too much time in it. So in the end, I decided to sell it, and that's why July is an outlier, because I sold my website for just above $13,000. And as you can see, it was making me consistent income even after I sold it, because like Amazon pays out like months later, and there's a transition period to transfer the website. Either way, a lot of details. Basic thing. Basically, I was just getting consistent income, not a lot, but in the end, the overall value of the website got quite big. And then there is other. It's kind of miscellaneous stuff. It's everything in between. The one outlier is August, where actually I sold my car. That's why it's like $4,000 here. But actually, maybe all my income was like through selling stuff. I kind of got into this minimalism, digital minimalism, and then just minimalism in total. I found Matt D'Avella last year and kind of binge watched all his videos and decided to get rid of things. So as you can see, I made like over $6,000 last year just by getting rid of the things that I don't use. Speakers, I think I had like headphones, books, whatever I found that was just laying around. And I was actually moving to this new place, so I need to get rid of a lot of stuff, including the car, which was kind of breaking down and I wasn't really using it that much. Either way, that's that. And as you can see, the total comes down to just over $67,000 per year. And that comes down to $5,607.92 as an average per month. And this is my best year so far. Actually, if we look at 2018, 2018, as you can see, it was just shy of $30,000 in total, which means I more than doubled my income last year, which I'm really proud of that. Well, technically, a website kind of was, selling on the website was, one of those things that actually pushed me towards that. However, either way, even like looking average per month from like clients, which in 2019 is over $3,500 per month. 2018 only was $2,000 per month. So that definitely improved as well. And I have some big plans for 2020. Oh boy, sweet, sweet, sweet 2020. New decade, new income records, I suppose. This is what happened in 2019, and to be honest, if you want some more details regarding the how I sold the website, the whole process, how I created the website, and what happened, niche, like all of that stuff, let me know, and if you want a video about that, I can definitely go in more depth regarding that, and you'll see what's been happening. I've already made a video about Upwork and like mainly Upwork, not the client work. So Upwork video, yeah, linked in the description. But clients, also, if you're interested in that, let me know. If enough people say yes, I might make a video on that. So that's it. That's all my sources of income and kind of a general overview. Averages per month and stuff like that. As you can see, I'm trying to make YouTube a thing as well. Yes, I did make videos, 6-7 years ago. I even uploaded them on YouTube even before I knew that you can monetize, or even, I don't think you were able. Were you able? I don't know. Either way, you can make money from YouTube. And I'm not gonna lie, that's a very nice incentive. I do enjoy making videos. I used to make them. I probably will make them either way, but just the thought of that, sweet, sweet YouTube money is something. Either way, if you like listening to me, if you like my rambles, if anything about me is at least somewhat enjoyable, please consider subscribing down below and helping this small channel grow. I've already made 3 videos in January. This one I'm also filming in January, which it's end of January, and this one I think I will be able to post in January as well, which is gonna be 4 videos in 1 month. If you check my all YouTube videos, you'll see that in 2019 I only made 2 videos. So I'm already like 200% growth. Okay, that's it from me. Have a good day. Bye.